focused on their sleep, but some thoughts were coming, but again it was going back.
Felt like I was talking with my future self.
Just tell me before we discuss anything, what is the biggest problem of a student? अगर हम academics की बात करें, क्या problem face होता है आपको? या आपको लगता है कि हाँ ये सबसे बड़ा ये एक major problem है when it comes to academics? What is that?
Distraction.
Distraction.
Out of focus.
Focus is not there. What else?
Concentration.
Concentration missing. Yes. What else? एक स्टूडेंट का एकेडमिक्स अगर उसको आपको दिख लगता होगा ना यार पोटेंशियल इस बंदे में बहुत है या इस लड़की में बहुत है बट उसको हो नहीं रहा, क्या रीजंस है? सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस नॉट देयर. व्हाट एल्स? लैक ऑफ प्रैक्टिस. व्हाट एल्स? हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू हैव फेल्ट दिस और एक्सपीरियंस दिस कि एक एक दो घंटा भी हम लोग याद करते हैं एंड स्टिल वी मिस ऑन द आंसर्स. पूरा परफेक्टली याद नहीं होता सारे. ओके. एंड हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू फील कि अगर हम लिख के भी याद करते हैं कुछ समय तक याद होता है, पता नहीं एग्जाम में ना वो पेज का वो पार्ट मेरे को याद नहीं है. Does it happen? Yes. How many of this happen? Yes. Okay. Now, what is the reason behind this? कि क्यों हो रही है? Let us first deep down understand कि problems क्या है. And then we'll come up with a solution. And today I'm going to give you a practical technique I used to do.
Yes, sir.
मैं करता था as a student. It helped me a lot. And the same thing you will implement. And I'm sure that is going to give you a lot of results. Right? So now let's understand problem है कहाँ. The problem is with our focus. Now how many of you think कि multitasking is a good thing? मतलब एक समय पे दो काम करना ठीक है, बढ़िया कर सकते हैं अपन. How many of you think? If you think multitasking is good, then you are wrong. वो हम लोग की प्रॉब्लम है. What we do? हम लोग यहाँ पढ़ रहे होंगे, साइड में गाना भी बज रहा होगा, है कि नहीं? उधर बाहर कौन आया उस पर भी ध्यान होगा, एंड हमारा खुद का तो चल ही रहा है दिमाग में. Yes or no? Since we are doing multitasking which we are not aware of, हम अवेयर नहीं होते इस चीजों को या वी आर नॉट टेकिंग राइट स्टेप्स टू स्टॉप इट. फॉर एग्जांपल सपोज अविनाश इज स्टडीइंग, अचानक से मोबाइल में ट्रिंग साउंड आया. व्हाट विल यू डू? व्हाट डू यू डू अविनाश?
Check.
They will check. How many of you do this, guys? Honestly. Yes? Everybody or each of the student does that. हम जैसे ही मोबाइल का टिंग बजा देखिए. And suppose there you have आपने कोई कुरियर सेट किया है, आपने कुछ मंगवाया अमेज़न से या कहीं से कि मेरे को ये चीज आएगा. Every time the bell rings, your mind will jump there, and then you open, oh दूध वाला. Yes or no? Is your mind not driving there? Why is it driving? Why is it driving? Because we are not focused. How many of you have seen monks? monk माने जो जैसे गौतम बुद्ध थे ना, monks उनको monk बोलते हैं, राइट? वो monks अगर एक जगह पे बैठे हैं, there would be lot of noise, उनको कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. They are like focused. Yes? Good answer. Why are they are able to do that? Because उन्होंने practice किया है वो. They have gone through the phase where they have learned how to focus. So just imagine there are some students getting 99%. Yes or no?
Yes.
Do they have extra 4 eyes? 4 ears? The same like us, right? And what is the difference? They have developed the muscle of their focus. जो as a student अगर मेरे को 4 घंटे लग रहे हैं, वो स्टूडेंट को 2 घंटे लग रहे हैं या 1 घंटा लग रहा है. And I'll tell you, by the time I was in standard 8, the same thing used to happen, guys. इतना याद करो पीछे के सामने वो फर्स्ट लाइन का 3 वर्ड मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा. पीछे का याद है बट वो 2-3 वर्ड आगे का याद नहीं आ रहा. पूरा पिटाई. उसके बाद बंदे से कि अच्छा ये 2-3 वर्ड मैंने बता दिया, वो याद आया तो नीचे का भूल गया. Why is it happening? फोकस नहीं है, रट्टा लगाया बट दैट इज नॉट हेल्पिंग मी. देन समबडी टोल्ड मी लिख के प्रैक्टिस करो. मैं लिख के प्रैक्टिस किया तो कॉपी भर रहा है पर दिमाग में. It's still that bracket. Then I learned from my teachers how to focus. They told me one activity, I did it every day and it became my muscle. Focus muscle होता है ना, we need to develop that. वो मेरा तैयार हो गया. Then I read once, 50% registered. I wrote once, another 50%. By the time students were thinking what Amit is doing, my scores were in 90s. Now the question is, how many of you want to score more than 90 or 95 in your exams? Yes? Somebody like this gets 50%. जितना ऊपर जा रहा है, that is the the limit. They don't stand. 100 के ऊपर नहीं जाएगा. Alright, put your hands on guys. So there is one technique guys to focus and concentrate. So we will be doing that. If you want this experiment or this technique which I am going to give you work on you, then you have to be selfish now. तो साइड में बम फूट रहा है, you have I have to be focused. You have to develop the muscle, right? अभी आप लोगों की जगह पे फोकस करने के लिए बोलूंगा, you will be not able to do that. When I give you one technique, when you can do that with some external help, you will be able to do that. How many of you want to improve your focus after this? Yes? Alright. So now what we will do? We will distribute the students and we will start setting up the technique. Alright? हाथ सबको नीचे रखेंगे, टेबल को कोई टच नहीं करेगा, ठीक है? आपको चाहिए एक स्टेप पीछे आ जाओ आप लोग को ठीक है? Priyanshi can come back a step. Yes, keep your spinal cord straight. Guys, whatever it happens, we are not going to look here and there. जितना अपना eyes open रख के, you just have to focus on the flame. अभी lights सारे off हो जाएंगे, after these are lit, just you have to focus on the अपना वो जो flame के ऊपर. That's it. Whatever happens, you now don't look here and there. If you are doing, I will not mind, but it is up to your loss. You're not developing your courage muscle. वो focus वाला muscle ready नहीं हो रहा, ठीक है? So do you want to develop it? Yes. Just be focused on your flame. That's it. जब तक वो flame खत्म नहीं होता, flame को देखना कहीं है. Clear?
flames of the candle were dancing on the music. And it was fantastic.
Alright.
So it was good. I was focused on the flame, but some thoughts were coming, but again it was going back. It was also magical. So I felt fresh after that.
I felt like I was talking with my future self and telling that I was doing okay, fine, and nice. And I said thank you to my future self for believing in myself.
Wow, that's very powerful.
Alright. So now guys, each of you must have experienced something or the other. Right? Somebody must have felt nothing. Did anyone feel like this? It's absolutely fine guys. क्या हो रहा है तुम समझ में नहीं आया कैंडल ही तो था. Did anyone feel this? Be honest. It's absolutely fine guys. Yes, maybe. That's absolutely fine. Focus doesn't come on one day. Understand this. Right? Now, when you do it second time, you could see some tak sounds were coming. How many of you noticed that sound? कोई गेट खोल रहा है, कुछ आ रहा है, मैं जा रहा हूँ, कहीं पे से टक्कर हो रहा है, कुछ हो रहा है. You felt? You are not focused. If you could feel that noise, you are not focused. It's absolutely fine. इससे ये नहीं है कि जिसको सुनाई दिया अरे वो ज्यादा फोकस था, मैं कम था क्या? No, no. Do you think everybody's brain is same here? We are all different here. It will take time for us to come back. But once it is aligned, तो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा, आवाज आ रही है, you will be all focused. Right? So guys, are you ready for one challenge which I'm going to give you for the next 7 days?
Yes, sir.
Yes?
Yes, sir.
Alright. For the next 7 days, you are going to repeat this activity for next 30 minutes every day. Right? And when you do this, keep everything aside. You can do at night, you can do at morning time. I'll suggest something better now. This time we use candles. You may use candle and black out the whole room. पूरा black out, कुछ नहीं दिखना चाहिए. It should be absolutely off. Candle लगा सकते हो, और on a safer side, you can also go for incense sticks. That is agarbatti. Take the agarbatti, light it on, and then only the flame is there. Now that is called as the advanced level of focus. अभी जब आप ये flame देख रहे थे, तो larger ना, ये ऐसा larger flame था. When you come down to the incense sticks, that is agarbatti, what happens? That becomes more closer. That becomes like a dot. And just focus this. What I used to do, I used to keep it on my के ऊपर focus करके उसको देखते जाओ. For 30 minutes. This is a continuous practice. My challenge is for 7 days. You have to do that, and you will see the change, guys. All right, everybody.
Yes, sir.
Now what I want everybody to raise their hand up and just shuffle it this way. Yes. Keep doing that, guys. Yes. Yes. And this is we are doing because of joy, of getting the power of increasing our score, our focus, our concentration, and achieving whatever we want in our life. Good. Put your hands on, guys.